Habari gani? Koma sava. Do you guys know that song? It's from here, Tanzania. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. So let's start our stand up. I was I was singing the song. I was vibing the song. It was very nice. Yeah, it's going viral. It's for Diamond Platinums from Tanzania. He calls himself Simba, means the lion. So let's go ahead and do our stand up. So let's see the schedule and a recap of yesterday. Uh, Day 3 of tutorial. Yesterday we had object detection using YOLO. How was the session? It was by Reddit Guma. And then community building session. It was fun. I loved the response. We had our dog standard. Do we have? Let me check Slack. Did you guys check Slack? I mean, community building yesterday. Community building. It was fun. I wrote. I was laughing till my ribs was itching. It's from Yodahe Teshome. She shared her dog picture, and the name sounds so funny and crazy. It was fun. Yeah. So the community building session. Then I think that was it for yesterday, and yeah, I think that was it for yesterday. And then submission, of course. And then today we have tutorial on API development using Fast API, and then independent challenge work, of course, with community building session as well. So that's it. I would love to hear progress from you. How was the yesterday session? Is there any feedback? Do you have any challenge so far? Did you manage to submit the challenge yesterday? Anything you'd share? Then that would be it. We can wrap up. So if you're ready, maybe you can start. You can raise a hand, then we follow the queue. So far, you have Junior. Anyone else who want to follow? We have one person already. Yes, you can go on,
Good
Junior.
morning.
Good morning.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Let me just start from yesterday. Yesterday, I completed task one and task two and submitted the interim report. I was having a bit of problem in the DBT setup, but I managed to fix the problem. And after that, today I'm working on the object detection. I already scrapped the image data from the Telegram channels. Now I'm trying to write a script to help me detect the images. It's a work in progress. I hope I will finish it today. So far, this is my progress. If I have questions or issues, I'm planning to contact my peers and my tutors. So that's it for me. Thank you.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Junior, for sharing. Um, Yabisra, are you able to speak? Yabisra Tefera, maybe sharing the chat box. If you're unable to speak, you can share the chat box. You're okay with text. Amazing. Yadasa Tarafa, anything? Any progress from you? How was the session? And anything else you'd love to share? If you maybe have a challenge, are you able to speak? Okay, Yadasa can speak. Maybe you can share in the chat box if everything is fine with you. If there's any question, yeah, just the progress. Okay. All right. Yeah, you can write there. Yeah, that is fine. Abram, anything? Abraham, if you can hear me. Okay. Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yeah. Sure. Sure. We can hear you.
Okay. Yesterday I submitted the report and both the GitHub repo.
I lost you. I don't know if it's on my side.
The Telegram data. Because I oh okay. I think my network is not
Oh, now I
good.
can hear
Can
you.
you hear me now?
Yeah, for now I can hear you.
Okay. So I didn't scrape the data from Telegram because I don't have a Telegram API. I can't get Telegram API because Telegram blocked my phone when I tried to do some scripting for the previous challenge. So I couldn't use the the provided code in the session using a Telegram API. So I simply use the data script from my peers. So I asked my peers and I use the data from them. But for the image part, I get that from simply exporting it from the Telegram channel. So I did that for task one. And for task two, I started the data cleaning process. I didn't complete it. And also I have set up the DBT project. Also, I didn't complete that. That's still work in progress. So I submitted that was my progress so far. I didn't face any issue so far. So I will try to complete this task two and progress to task three with the YOLO in the object detection. This is it from my side. Thank you.
Amazing. Thank you so much. That was fantastic. Okay, welcome, Matos. Do you also want to share if you can be able to speak at your side? Okay.
Hello,
Yes. Maybe.
am I audible?
Yeah. You. Maybe just
Okay,
give me a sec. Junior, maybe
okay.
before Matos. Junior and Yadas. Is it a question or is it maybe before Matos? I can see Junior with her hand raised and Yadasa.
No, it was one mistake.
Okay. Yadas, you can go ahead. You want to speak? Okay, you were right. Okay, maybe it's a mistake, I guess. All right. So Matos, you can go ahead. Sorry for that.
Okay, no problem. Thanks. Yesterday, I was able to solve my problem with DBT and send my submission. Already helped me a lot with that. I was struggling with serving my DBT, and with the help of Reddit, I was able to submit my work and successfully serve my DBT. Today, I'm working on a YOLO V5. I create my project initially also. I close the YOLO V5 repo. And currently, I was trying to detect my images, but I can't able to find Reddit tutorial, the recordization of Reddit tutorial in about YOLO V5. So I can't able to get resources to learn more and do my work. That was the struggle I was facing now. Thank you.
Okay. When was the session delivered?
I think Wednesday, yesterday.
Okay, I will check. I will check with the team and then get back to you.
Okay, okay.
Okay. So there's no any other challenge apart from that.
Yes, yes.
All right. That's amazing. Thank you so much. So, in the chat box, I think we have some people shared. Yes, Yadasan. Yes. In case you're speaking, I can't hear you. I don't know if the rest can hear you. Hey, Yadasa, are you speaking? I can see only your hand raised. Can the rest hear anything from Yadasa? Hello, can you see any reaction? Like, can I be heard?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Oh, so Yadasa is speaking. Can you hear Yadasa? Because
No, no, he's not audible.
Hello.
yes, Yadasa, now you can see, I can hear you now. I think it was your
Okay,
problem.
thank you.
Yeah.
Okay. I did the taxes. I did the scrapping part for the image and the JSON files. I did and saved it in my local the storage, and I did the DBT project as well. I I have submitted the GitHub link, but there is a problem with me. There is I can't dump the JSON data in the database. I mean, I have built the DBT documentation, and I am able to see the locally. I mean, I have built it and run, and I did the test, but the JSON data is not loaded to the database. That's the problem with me, but the others are working very well.
Okay. Uh, yes, yeah, maybe I can exist.
Yeah, so if you want to load the whole JSON data that you scrape using the Telegram API, it's not a structured table, right? You can't upload it directly into Postgres. So what you need to do is you need to extract the attributes that you need into a CSV or Excel file, and then from there you can upload it to the a database using SQL Alchemy. If you were in the tutorial, there is a build dataset.py file. If you run that file, it will convert the message JSON file into a CSV file. Once you have that, you can read it using pandas, and then you can upload that panda data frame into Postgres using SQL Alchemy. I think we have discussed that on during the tutorial. Was that your question or your blocker?
Yeah, I did the. I mean, I have extracted the. I have extracted the values. I do need to load the database, SQL database. I also did the. I mean, the graph EDA and other from directly from the JSON and the converting it to CSV. I did the conversion and I'm loading it to the database before, but in this case, when I DBT,
Oh,
there is a structure. I mean, there is a profile structure. I mean, the MySQL structure, source structure.
yeah.
These are the
Sorry,
problems.
I thought you were talking about the scraping. So you want to load your data using DBT, right? And the
Yeah.
configuration files are not correctly communicating. Yeah. I think, Kerod, are you there? maybe you can help him out.
Okay. So I think are you using the ALT or the ETL method, Yarisa? Which framework are you
Sorry,
following? Are you
sorry,
using the? Yeah. Okay.
I didn't hear you.
Are you using the ALT framework or the ETL? Like, are you extract, load it, then transform, or are you extracting, then transforming, then loading it?
I extract, then
Mhm.
then I transform and transforming in the loading is on the same level.
Oh, okay. So
I mean,
I think it's ETL, right? You are extracting,
yeah,
then
yeah.
transforming, then loading. So I think your question is, how do I load after transforming it with DBT?
Yeah, when I extract and save the data, then I want to load the data to the database.
Yeah. Okay. Sorry, I lost it for a second. But yeah. So if you are following the ETL method, you can use the CRUD method. You can use the CRUD method in order to interact with your database. Maybe we can see how we are going to do them in the session, in the afternoon session. But yeah, you can use a CRUD method. And maybe,
Okay.
yeah, I will share you maybe in the inbox or on Slack. But we can have
Okay,
a
thanks.
session after.
Okay. I think that solves it. Maybe. I guess. Can I get a green light for that? I mean, yeah, Dasa, is everything fine now?
Yes. Yeah, I'm good now.
All right.
Thank you.
So I think that's it. Can we wrap up maybe if we're done, if there's anything else? Oh, okay. Matos, we asked ETL. Yeah, the answer is yes, Matos. So, Matos, let me check if you have announcement. I think you have shared, right? All right. So I think no announcement.
No announcement from us.
All right. Yeah. So let's wrap up. I think that's it. Have a good day. Meet in the next session.
Bye.
Okay.